Greetings dear subscribers, this is ISON company with you. In this video we will talk about the top 5 most high-tech, coolest surveillance cameras as of the year 2025. We have already had various selections with you. Top 5 most popular surveillance cameras, but there we always made these selections based on what people buy more often. And people more often buy something from the mid-price segment. And this video we have prepared separately for you. Here will be the top 5 coolest surveillance cameras. Well, they will also be the most expensive in terms of budget, because as we understand, the most high-tech, the highest quality cameras will be priced accordingly. So let's get started. In the first place, we have the ISON NFL 1000 Pro model. It comes in 4 modifications. With a standard processor, there is also a cheaper version with the letter E. Here, the shooting quality is 15 to 20% simpler, meaning the detail is in 5 megapixel modifications and 5 megapixels. Also with the letter E, this is a wireless surveillance camera. It can operate via Wi-Fi. It can work with a SIM card 8. The megapixel version allows you to shoot video in 4K. It has a 20x zoom. It is rotatable and can be controlled from a phone, tablet or computer. It has artificial intelligence. It tracks people and vehicles. We have a detailed video review of this camera on our channel. So this camera is number 1 for locations where only one camera is needed. A solution in terms of quality. That is a better camera, yeah, in terms of specifications and sensor. It has a Sony sensor, the best and latest processor. IMX is the best. You won't find anything better at the moment. The next surveillance camera is non-rotatable with a 5x zoom ISON 8 SAF MBA. There is a standard version and one with a cheaper E processor. There are also ready-made surveillance systems, ISON Alpha Pro X. We can click, for example, to view a system with 4 cameras. That is, here you will have a complete set with cables and a video recorder. There are modifications with a hard drive. This is the best choice for locations where camera rotation is not required. That is, you set it up and this camera records no worse than the latest iPhones. Next, we have a camera with 36x optical zoom. Essentially, it's the same as the first option, only here there's a 36x zoom. That is, such a camera can see clearly for hundreds of meters. Such cameras are installed on large sites, or you can add one camera for perimeter surveillance of your property, whether it's a private house, a factory, an enterprise, or a quarry. There is also a standard modification and a cheaper modification with the Index E. And this camera comes with POI support, meaning it's a wired version of the very first camera we already looked at. Here, for fairness, we also added to this rating a dome camera. The best option among dome surveillance cameras, suitable for stores or any task where a round design of the surveillance camera is required. This will be the number 1 solution, model TF500LC305XH. It features a 5x zoom, color night combined shooting, built-in artificial intelligence, and the camera includes night. Intelligent lighting when it detects a person in the frame or when it detects a vehicle in the frame. So it's a very high-tech option. There are also cheaper options with 4MP, with the Index E, 5MP, 2MP available. And there are also 8MP variations without some zoom. Here, the name is slightly different, IP80SSL Pro, but it has the same sensor, processor and casing. So this is an option without zoom. And there are also ready-made kits available everywhere. For example, a system with 4 cameras called ISON Pro X. This is a convenient option for a ready-made set. Take it out of the box, plug it into the socket and everything works. And also there are wireless kits included here. We definitely include this in the ranking. This is the best, most high-tech option available at the current time. We go into the ready-made kits. Here on the left in the filter, we set the wireless Wi-Fi kits. And we will see 100 options here. They are available in 2 megapixels, 4. For 5 megapixels, 8. You can conveniently set a filter on the left, set the number of cameras and the resolution needed. Here there is also color night shooting in 8 megapixel 4K resolution. The best sensor available in Wi-Fi surveillance cameras. In principle, the highest Wi-Fi transmission range, 2-way audio, built-in microphone WDR technology, Diner. I am not even mentioning them anymore. This naturally is present in all these cameras because they are the best. The best links to all models will be in the description. If you have any questions about them, write them in the comments under this video. Thumb up and we will definitely answer them.